In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notebook as PDF in Goodnotes 2026 guide. First, open the Goodnotes app and head to the notebook you want to export. Make sure the pages you need are in the order you want because the export will follow your current notebook layout. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the share icon. It looks like an upward arrow and opens the share and export options for your current notebook. From the menu that appears, choose Export or Export All. Export is great if you're focused on a specific page or the content you have selected, while Export All is the quickest way to package the entire notebook in one go. If you're not sure which to pick, think about your audience. Are you sending a single page for quick feedback or delivering a full notebook as a clean, portable file? Next, select PDF as the format. PDF is ideal because it preserves your handwriting, annotations, and page layout, and it's widely compatible across devices and platforms. This ensures whoever receives it can open it without needing Goodnotes installed. You'll now choose which pages to include. If you want everything, select all pages to export the entire notebook. If you only need a portion, pick a custom range. This is helpful for sharing a specific chapter, meeting notes, or a subset of class materials. Keep an eye on page numbers so your range matches exactly what you intend to send. For large notebooks, trimming to just the pages you need can reduce file size and speed up sharing. After confirming your selection, tap Export. Goodnotes will process the PDF. This can take a moment depending on how many pages and how much ink or images your notebook contains. It's normal to see a brief progress indicator for bigger exports. When the export is ready, choose where to save or share it. You can send it to the Files app to keep a local or cloud-backed copy, email it if you need a quick attachment, add it to Google Drive for team access, or airdrop it directly to a nearby device. If you're organizing for later, saving to files and placing it in a clearly named folder can make it easy to find. Giving the PDF a descriptive file name like course, topic, and date also helps future you. And that's it. Your notebook is now saved as a PDF, ready to share, archive, or print. If you need to make changes, just go back to your notebook, edit, and repeat the same export flow.